Hi, my name is Marlo DePietro and this is my 26th vise. This is marble, epoxy to aluminum, the aluminum plates, brass stands, ebony trim on the handles, and it works like this. This is a clamp. When you loosen and tighten this, it allows for this rotation. This is a clamp. When you loosen and tighten that, allows for this rotation. This is another clamp, allows for a pitch control. The fly is inserted in the jaws and tightened with this, and then tighten in the back for a fulcrum lever. I'll show you some of the engraving. The jaws are engraved lightly and hardened to a 53 Rockwell. This is Marlo DePietro, and that is my 26th vise.